Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome to another edition of this do-it-yourselfer channel. Today I'm gonna change the on and off switch on this commercial upright sanitary vacuum cleaner. What happens is that it just stays on all the time, and as you can see, I'm gonna plug it in, and it's on. Switch is not making any difference. So the switch is not making a difference, and well, yeah, this is not a difficult job, and it'll be very helpful if you have a little. It'll be very helpful if you have a little table that you can put that on. But the first thing to do is to remove this knob. This bolt, it does not go in here. I don't know who put it on there. That's cheap. You need an Allen wrench to remove this screw. But anyway, just for educational purposes, I'm just gonna remove it just like that. Now, once you have it like that, you're gonna turn it upside down. I like to. One second, I'm gonna prepare my phone because I can do things with one hand. But once you have it like that, I really like to bring it down like this, and yeah, bingo. And I'm gonna turn it this way. Now this is very simple. It has two springs, and only two springs that you're gonna have to remove. This one right here and that one right there, and that's it. The whole cover comes out. Now for that you need needle nose pliers. I need to go and run over there, but I don't have it. But I have these pliers right here, and I'm gonna just pull up and let go. Okay, you see how it's off. It goes on these grooves, right here. I don't know. Yeah, there you go. This angle will catch her. It goes right there in the middle. That's where it goes. So that way you can put it back on the same way. The same thing this. I'm just gonna pull it, and that's it. Now I'm gonna turn the vacuum back up again. Turn it back. I have the table right here, and move all the cables. Okay, so now we should be able to remove the cover just like that. Let's see how easy it is. Now let's see where this spring goes on those notches. Please remove them and put them on a safe place where you will not lose them. Please do that, please, because if you lose them, well, you're gonna have to order some and it's not gonna work. Alright. This piece of cardboard is put on wrong. That's not the way it goes. This is the way it goes, and the bolt goes through there. But anyway, I'm gonna fix that up. So this is the switch, guys. All we have to do is remove it. What we do, well, obviously make sure it's disconnected. But what we do is that we're gonna remove this nut on the switch. Yeah, it's real easy. Yeah, there you go. I'm gonna remove the nut. And the switch is basically out. See this? It's out. Oh, Yeah, make sure you don't lose this washer. Okay. I'm gonna put this nut back on so that way I don't lose it. I like to do that. And it's already safe there. Okay. Now look where it goes. Okay. It has I need to change those wire nuts. Somebody had worked on this before. Okay guys, so by now you should have these switches. This is a little bit different, but it does the same thing. I'm just hoping that it fits there. Alright. I'm pretty sure it will. So yeah, as you saw, when I move this wire nut, it just came off. Why? Because that's the wrong wire nut. Okay, so you have two color it's black and yellow. Okay, now there is something wrong in here. Wait a minute. The connections in here don't seem to be connected right. The black and the white, yellow, they're together. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna disconnect. Somebody worked on this. It was not me, guys, but look what they did. The switch, they connected together both to the yellow, so that never is gonna turn off. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna disconnect, and I'm gonna use the same switch. If it's good, there's no reason for me to use a different switch. So we're gonna connect the yellow with the yellow, as you can see right here. All right, so I'm just fixing someone else's mess. But before I do that, I'm gonna install this correctly. So I'm gonna remove this. It probably uses an Allen wrench. I'm gonna go and get it. Okay, so we're using an Allen wrench. My tool has a different types of it, so I had the correct one. Now I'm gonna put this the correct way. See how they made all this mess? Everything is not corrected right. That goes under the ground too, so I'm gonna fix that up. I'm gonna use for that I'm gonna use this Phillips screwdriver. I'm gonna take it off. Guys, I'm fixing someone else's mess in here. They didn't know, they probably changed the motor. Another mechanic, so I'm just fixing the mess right here. I'm doing it properly. This is how this is supposed to be fitted. It was all loose. That's just like a dust cover. Okay. Now, for this, I'm not gonna put it until later on. Oh, not really. I'm gonna put it right now. I can. Just because somebody made a mistake there. I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna put the square. Okay, so now we got this on. Now, as you can see, we're gonna connect the yellow with yellow. Now, I'm gonna use orange wire nuts, but this is a little bit smaller. Look at the difference in size. The other ones are too big just for 2 wires, so these ones will hold on a lot better. It will really make the nut awesome. And also the black. So yeah, somebody used the wrong wire nuts in there. Okay, and I'm gonna put the wire nut, the little one. And bingo, we got this on. Now we're gonna try it on. Okay, so just to let you know again, the yellow wire from the switch, it goes to the yellow wire coming from the motor, and the black wire from the switch to the black of the motor. We're gonna test the motor now, and let's see what happened. I'm gonna connect it. All right, and it did not turn on. So now I'm gonna press the switch. It's working beautifully. All right, so we got it. All we have to do is put everything back on, and we got that part. So we're gonna connect the switch back on. Easy peasy piece of cake. And all you have to do is bring it through there, match the correct size, and put the nut. We're gonna tighten it. We're gonna tighten them up. We're gonna put it in place. Once you put it in place, we can turn this upside down. Sorry for the camera. All right. And now, okay. And now it's time for us to put the springs on. The way you do, guys, is that you hold it with your pliers, needle nose, or whatever you have. Go into the notch and bring it up, just like that. You see how it was done. Again, you hold it from the top, you find the notch down there and bring it up. Game over. That's it. We installed an on and off switch. It works now. Save a lot of money if you did it by yourself. You don't have to pay any extra. This is so easy. So easy. And of course, all we have to do is put the switch back on. Not the switch, but the knob for the height. This is the one that determines the height. But it's got the now this knob is the one that it determines the height, but it has the wrong bolt. Somebody, oh man, yeah, this is not good. So I'm gonna have to order the part, so I don't have one. And it's just all you have to do is pick it up and move it with your hand on the bottom, the wheels. Pull that knob back and put it in and tighten it. And this is it, guys. This is how you install a brand new switch. I didn't install it after all, but it's the same way. I show you how to do it. And if you like it, please put the thumb up, turn on the bell, so you can watch